te along khen chami lungaya kung may lovi
Iswa lam en fola chan pui tu an ni kong di ka chua na kayang che Iswa del te afa a min lo mama ro lo tu an min khang ta Em tik nghe kan shlo ma se a lo ka le ko ba nin mo min shoi khen guri They up some and go no di the share Tam tiang tam chu the healing so can di Dal pan ka tan ban mun min bo say They in na yang ka so len do si lo
Golden Jubilee lom na hun mang tu le khir tu zong zong te galat pa so Krista mingen Jubilee chibai ka bu ka cheu ei sai na Christian chalai chan chin bu Jubilee lom na hun kan mang do na dia anga le lom le maya e ma ta ko hian kam ha ke la ingil na na le itak na chu in khom na ro pui ta ka mi te la ka thuk lo ve dia dia elai các xe cái cây mà tan sốc người lo kan sa vai ta na nia hey khom na ro pui ta ka hiang pathian chan chi phra sai nang ka pon chuak do na ni chu da chuak pathian ro pui na te pathian chan dam na le pathian ri nom na te kan bu do chu mi tu chuak kan o ka kan taksa i ui lo ngom athu
Golden Jubilee chan chin bu akum songana Christian cholai kan sa vai a kan chan chin bu trong akum songana lom tura ATP member local com song tele TV lama melo khiep tu tele head program sim tu song te Jubilee chipai kapung kon vele chewni zani na hiya program kan buang khan presentation le tu sei toi kun kan mang do na ama sai presentation Christian cholai chan chin bu chung cha kan nei potaka chim so so tu sei kan chim song do na ni Chuta editor masaber chu khati hunlaya kan general secretary Reverend Lavin Moya kha ania ani he kum sa ka sa posom saria khan he chan chin bui lo men kola sa ka sa posom sari le patum ma khan alo en kol pokani in Nazareth Press Aizola Christian Cholai chan chin bui chuma sabera hi athala kan mu hi Nazareth Press chu ki hunlaya an chuna chuani
concert mang tura lo ka zong te kan lan pa is par sa hingin at harin si be ka buk non le as u PC zone tuang i kania he concert ka shwai tu he kania
Love
hian him pon na leom puina duom tak chu chatuan ama kan fakze theinan tuna le kum khua thlengin in za chuma lom je ro se.
Well, greetings from myself, Puzoloma, and my family. We are obviously very well connected with the KTP, with Puona being my father, and I'm very pleased to be with you again this year, and to be able to say thank you for your prayers for me and my family over the last 12 months. It's been a very difficult year for me, and I'm thanking you for your prayers. It's been fantastic support for me during this time. So very warm greetings to you as KTP and Central KTP. Thank you for your welcome, and it's been fabulous being here in Sership also and enjoying the welcome here. It's been great. The conference again is very successful, and I am astounded by the level of technology you have, the level of interaction that you have, the creativity of your different groups that we saw last night in the fellowship meeting. It's been a real eye-opener for everybody who's been here to see how well you're developing, and that Christ is still the central point of your message, and that belief in Christ will be sustaining for you as well as people as you struggle with drugs and alcohol and all the issues that are facing us as society now. So my father would be very, very proud of you. He would be absolutely astounded by your progress, and blessing you for your commitment to Christ. And therefore I will do the same. I'm thanking you in Christ's name for all you do for your communities, for your churches, and may God bless everything that you do in Christ's name.
Hello, Mizoram. We are so lovely to be here. We are come from Taiwan, and we really enjoy the conference. Thank you very much.
Hello, friends. It's too nice to be here with the youth in conference, and we have a very wonderful times. And also, we wish you can to join the performance, and also you can join the fellowship in each time in here. Thank you very much. Galame.
Jibai, I'm from Taiwan, and I'm very happy to be here. I very enjoy it. Mizoram is a very beautiful place. I hope I can come again. Galame.
Jibai. Hi, I'm Prasansa, bringing you greetings from the South Asian Christian Youth Network. So far my experience here in Mizoram is really great. I've never seen such a huge crowd ever in my life, and that too in a Christian community. So it gives me real pleasure to be here, and I really want to thank CKTP for the invitation. Yeah, as I said earlier, it's like something beyond my comprehension, and it's so amazing, to see the youths coming together and being so actively participating in this conference. And especially I was very awestruck in the way that the whole town is coming together to make this happen. So it's really a pleasure to be here.
Is a harp, and the harp is the national instrument of Wales, and it has 34 strings from the bottom to the top, and it has levers which changes the key, and it's just like, so you can change notes when you want to. So
can you play for a while?
Yes, yes.
Like roughly 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds.
I'm going to be singing, because I'm a traditional singer as well, so I'm going to be singing a couple of songs, I think, with the harp.
Okay, eagerly waiting for that comment. So how do you find this KTP conference?
It's been a fantastic experience. It was very difficult for anybody to be able to explain to me, really, what the feeling would be. The amount of people and the amount of kindness that I felt is just out of this world.
Would you like to visit again?
Oh, most definitely, most definitely. I've never been to Mizoram, and it's been just a wonderful experience already, and I've got a week to go. So, and thank you to the Mizoram people for all their kindnesses, really. And I'd just like to say that this harp is going to be left. It came with me and the group I was with Aneirin and the group, and we're going to leave the harp here in Mizoram as a gift to the Mizoram people.
You are going to give it to the central committee, or are you going to give it to personal person, or?
Well, we're hoping that maybe as to celebrate the connection between the Mizoram people and Wales. That maybe I'll be able to bring anybody who wants to come and have a lesson with me, or for me to show them how it works, and then we'll be then leaving it as a gift.
Okay, thank you so much. Can you just play it again, then we will conclude it. Can you just play it again, if you don't mind?
KGP General Conference po isang nga parian na chu hamor kan lobok don ta kumin KGP General Conference hi serchi place kot field da manania February ni somni pasari achang March ni khat kumsang ni somni chungin manania conference chung hian palai ngi muzat kankal khoma kan record the china chuan palai kal number income number zan hian mi singli sang sari le za som thum pakwa ti in kan chin chia mai ro chu Mundanga pon lama te po chia kim lo te po hi kan nei no alin kan she bok ani kumin kan conference tan hian kan thu pui chu felna sham sheini in kan speaker hi Reverend Arla Rosiama Field Secretary Delhi Mission Field ani
pui ron so in khanin February ni somni le pasari tanga March ni khatchungin le second field serchi pa KTP General Conference kan mang ania lunglen thang hal viewin kashia mi mal takpon Nilisung conference man ania ninga ni February ni somni le pasari hian palailom in khom ni ania zana atuk February ni somni le pareta hian rongbol na report in khom ni ania variety program oma tin pathian bek in khom zan lama omboka in rinnia hian program it kemina variety de laka chokmalama central KTP shwai tu thanna ni ania rorel in khom omboka tin thuzir in khom oma Bible study, character study, ang buka zanlama pathian biak in khom. Omin hemi zohianin K3P ina kan chansin bune Christian Thalai a Golden Jubilee concert naka ni ania he hun hi anuamin a limo me ma tharau le ti sa pon kan hlok pui viawin kashia angai omle zoldonin kashia ani pathian ne hian choma chanu zana pathian bek in khom nei ania zanlama fellowship hun man ania kumin conference pui seng khanin kan tam khop maya le sekot field hian min zo lo zo kin ashriata serchi pikan soidu chu Mizoram mun sang tang hian kalna rem changa kalpo ul sama chu wang chuanin langa ron kalte po an tamaria kherlo palai kan tamber thum ani thei hialin kan ring ani
nya ni jina kan soyang deu khan palai mun sang achangin kan tam ma tun chu ma hian abik tikin han soilan nge ta na chaka ti chu rampon abik takin Wales te Taiwan te tiro chan Nepal achang te in palai nge mozat kan neya hengba ka hian rampon timeng Mizoram pon achangin Mizoram pon sinota chang te chu ba ka Mizoram chunga kan caution unau dang te khatyang achang khan palai nge mozat kha kan nei bok ani
sang ni somni le pani chunga Central KTP office beer le committee member te chu heng te hi ani kan chair chuanga leader hi kan share thongin sinot than sinot ruat kha ania Reverend Reverend Vanlal Muan Puya Kiangte ania assistant leader hi Purorel ki Maharam Bun Bial ania General Secretary po hi Sinat Ruat ania Tual Upa Ro Chungnunga kan General Secretary ngai kha ania assistant secretary hi Tual Upa Mal Som Tluang Mission Veng Thang Bial ania treasurer hi Pupi Silarin Sanga Dor Pui Bial ania finance secretary hi Upal Rin Moy Ralte Khatla Bial ani tin committee member hi Somni le pakhat an oma an ming le an bial hi kan share chuak le ange Tual Upa Alal Biak Moy Dor Pui Veng Thar Bial Tlangwal Benjamin Lalun Puya Vai Bakon Bial Pulal Rin Chanaral Te Mission Veng Bial Pulal Ruat Fela Pongkon Bial ani Sinat Choir Director ani boka Tlangwal Kelal Chan Himaram Hlun Not Bial Christian Thalai Editor ani boka Pujoni Lal Than Sanga Chal Tlang Bial Puich Lal Ro Sanga Luang Bol Bial Puriki Lal Rem Ruata Veng Hui Bial Upasai Ming Thanga Sailo Electric Veng Bial Puzau Sang Puya Bethlehem Bial Tlangwal Mal Som Dong Lian Republic Bial Puel Vil Than Tluanga Chan Mari Bial Pujoni Lal Om Puya Am Veng Bial Pulal Rem Puya Chan Mari West Bial Pulal Rem Ruata Patsuao Bungkon Bial Pujonathan Lal Shuai Tluanga Kulikon Bial Pu David Lal Chuan Oma Tang Nuam Bial Tual Upa PC Vanal Dun Moya Veng Noi Bial Upa F Zo Herliana Zo Nuam Bial Tangwal Van Romoya Chinga Veng Bial Le Upa Lal Char Moya Zema Bok Not Bial Te Ani
Kumina Khan conference Zwal tu katimaya Zaipol and Chathe Emema Zaipol hi Sinot Choir Baka Bia Zaipol dang Somthum Pakwa Somthum Pariat Somthum Pariat nen Bia Sinot Choir nen Somthum Pakwa Zaya and Zaya ngai nom the Emema anim buat saina ro pui chining ka sia enge ahunavo om te tan khan a feel the ni an zai thiam em maheba ka hian special item mu nom the ema tro a mu noma chuba ka kan beng kan mi tatlai em ani bia shang chingin program item shang enge a variety tam em mai kha kan huwa kha mi pui palai kal te po khan nuam kan ti zwal thain ka siam mu nom kan tia aro pui hle ni kan item nei le kan zai pol te kha
ne hei pui na hianin conference sung zukan in zui tau ania kumin conference kan speaker na soi trophy win ka shia conference te chuan ani na tak chuan thu so hi arai lo theilo amaro chu akham om lo ni arai ti po kan shelowa tin kumin conference ai masona tur tam tak a omin ka shia kan shia tangin Jubilee concert a stage kan soilo kang hei pui te veng mission veng thang ina an siam ania stage aron meirot al chuak ami antimai te khatiang te po kha kan hungai lo tin sound system te po tha tin kan soile du chu nakina top lam panga po ka soinga drone te le cover thilang pon ma hi kan son viewing ka shia kumin KTP conference a hian chuti rol chuanin kan delegates timaila kan mikhwal te India ram chung le cover mun sang atanga rong kalten loman loa tin he conference a lomlo pakhat chu harp an timaya harp davida tingtang an timaya kha ania tum thiam em maya Mizoram an huchia min pechun zom ngal kha ania tum thiam te po an omin arin oma angai thak te po do ma kan tum ve don sina ke ni chuan kan thiam lo phot ania puzo lo mate kan ko ma tina tum tu te po kan ko ma a video te po kan enin ka ringa angai noma lung te po atileng e min ka sia tin conference hi kumni dana nei thina ni ti kan sia tho angin kumni nuwa nei le tura ni sang ni le som ni le pani hian korosi pa ne ani do na pui te chu nula point ni to in ka ring lo chu ti huna chuanin fatin ende po pathian zara in rong kana kini chu anu pui kan nei mo nu pui kan nei lo hi pata chu ke tri pia le man zel thea eng po ni se conference te po kanin munga hi hemi ba kan pui po hian soi tura be bo mani karing
nia harp kan soi dei phot tiang kan van nei ka tia KJP tan Mizoram big takin Mizoram tan ange kan mel lung pakhat ni vein ka sha khatiang kha Mizoram a nei kan lo min ka shelawa chu wang chuan kha thil kan don kha enge thil ro pi tak ni ka sha kan van nei ka tia han play han thiam ve ni cha han play chin te pakhat cha ko me mani chan ya za ma soyang deu khan adot lia chuan kolsi pa ni don to kolsi pa han kan la tel theng mo shat lova kan tel thei mo tel thei lo mo eng po ni seng I van nei ka India hatianga kan tel thei hi o zaman is nei soyang deu kha mi pa chu in la tel zu zom zel thea me cha chu enge a top chin hi om ve a
Timma yang to kha chon har sa to ate ro
a top chin me che tan chon o chu wang chon nu lat la hi chon the ang chen conference na tian local hi alo poi reng lo ti hi ka she chok thai le de ro te pon ka sha tun chu chu
kumin hi top na tur chu ni em long nge kumin pak chu ikal thei to lo benga te ro in soidat ma khan nei tum nai do ya ale em pon se a hey pathian le central KTP shwai tu te du sakna zara hey kumin a hian Central KTP documentation team anan tel ania rongpol na poimo tak kanan chela kan hu phur tlanga e tong trai na nen kan tang kopa pathian in hun thamin pe a ti hian KTP conference su har sat na lian tham om loin kanan mangzo ania kanin pu cha na tanga voin theng en phei chuan pathian mal som na kan dong sa a ti sa le tharawa te po mer hriat thar thatak tak te po mi mal takin kan dong nema alo omatin kan soile du pakhat chu ser chi mi pui in po chana them em maya ser chi pa mi pui an kal nem kan tia a khuwa khi a dar zau ve ni chu wang chuan in lir thei ve wa na te po khi a boi thla ka chu ti ro jon traffic jam lu tuk om lo te le engkim a management fel lu tuk kha a organizing board lampang ti maya a organizing committee ser chi lampang an fok omin ka sia a I tin a traffic duty te le a khimi ar a sarkar lam shoi tu te poki an fakom biwin ka sia a chu anin po chana ram bi ka ni ta se tin hemi baga hian Tata Trust lampang neida in akal zong te ta na tui thiang lim in tur filter anon chop te po kha thain ka sia tiang in ko puini khoi chon tui in tur ri wang thina amara chu neida Tata Trust in filter enga maza tanan da tui in tur om reng te kha kumin conference su an lut le zon la nin ka sia pathian zara ka damani zong ke chu kan le ka tu bani hale pe ka point pui chu kan se to lo documentation team ka pui hian dule miran shil se a thain ka sia
documentation team te himi som pakhat kan nia kan chan vo chan tin hian ti han kan sei zung mayanga still camera hian HD namting khuma Luangmal branch Lalun Tluanga Zonwam branch Zoram Chana Republic Veng branch PL Kap ki Mahun Thar branch te ania tin video camera hian Sil Mangaya Chan Maribas Marveng branch Larin Tluanga Bungkon branch le Lalmuan Zobadur Tlang branch te ania drone camera ahian Isaac Lalung nema Bongkon branch le Tlanna Duoma Bethlehem branch ania anchor te hikini min huang hian Lal Thanzama Van Chong Chinga Veng branch le Van Lal Nun Pui Mission Veng Thlang branch
Chinga Veng Thlang branch
Chinga Veng Thlang branch